Have you ever done the 1% dash? Your phone's on its last legs, and you're frantically searching for an outlet. We've all felt that battery dread, planning our days around charging, tethered to walls, tangled in cables. It's absurd. We carry supercomputers in our pockets, but their tiny batteries barely last a day. It's like owning a Ferrari with a 1-gallon gas tank. But what if the solution isn't a bigger battery or faster charger? What if it's you? Your body is a walking heat-producing power generator. Every step, every stretch, every bit of heat you radiate is wasted energy. We've been plugging into walls, ignoring the power source we carry everywhere, ourselves. Imagine a world where your clothes charge your devices. On a hike, your phone gains power with every step. Your jacket keeps your GPS alive in an emergency, powered by your own body heat. This isn't science fiction, it's the near future. We're on the cusp of a revolution where our clothing frees us from battery anxiety. Forget cables, power banks, and outlet hunts. The real solution is wearable power, energy harvested from your own life. The tyranny of the battery icon is ending. Soon, your clothes will be your personal power grid. The future of charging is you. Ready to ditch the panic? Picture this. It's 2026, you get dressed, and your clothes start charging your devices. Your t-shirt looks and feels normal, but microscopic threads inside generate electricity as you move. Body heat is captured and converted into usable energy. Your clothes become your personal power grid. No clunky sci-fi costumes, just smart, comfortable fabrics. These power-generating clothes are flexible, breathable, and stylish. A walk generates watts. Your body heat powers a light bulb's worth of energy. For centuries, we wasted this energy. Now, we're finally tapping into it. The best part? It's passive. You just live your life, walk, commute, dance, and your clothes work for you. Your shirt is no longer just a shirt, it's a power station. This shift turns clothing into an active part of your digital life. Imagine your phone, earbuds, or AR glasses always topped up, no extra effort required. The wardrobe of tomorrow is about efficiency and self-sufficiency. Every step you take powers your world. The future of fashion is functional and electrifying. Welcome to the era of wearable energy. How does this work? It's science, specifically piezoelectricity and thermoelectricity. Piezoelectric fibers generate electricity when stretched or compressed. Every movement creates a tiny charge. Millions of these microcharges add up as you move. Thermoelectric fibers use the temperature difference between your warm body and cooler air to generate voltage. Your shirt becomes a silent engine, running on your body heat. Early prototypes from MIT and Georgia Tech show promise. A small patch can power sensors. A full shirt can trickle charge your phone. Hybrid textiles combine both effects, layered with flexible batteries or supercapacitors to store energy. Sitting still. Thermoelectricity works. Start moving? Piezoelectricity boosts the charge. It's a symbiotic relationship. Your clothes harvest energy from every action. The result, continuous, wearable power. No magic, just smart materials and clever engineering. Your t-shirt is now a mini power plant. The future of energy is woven into what you wear. Science just made your wardrobe smarter. The big question: can you wash power-generating clothes? Absolutely. Engineers designed these fabrics to be as durable and easy to care for as regular clothes. The power-generating materials are spun into threads at the molecular level, then woven into fabric. They're flexible, resilient, and waterproof, with protective coatings. These clothes survive hundreds of washes, stretches, and even exposure to sweat and sunlight. Labs test them with brutal durability trials, stretching, twisting, washing, and UV exposure. The goal garments that last as long as high-quality athletic wear. Cost. Like any new tech, they'll start as premium products, but prices will drop as production scales. Materials like zinc oxide, nanowires, and carbon polymers aren't rare. Soon, a power-generating shirt will cost only a bit more than a regular one. Factor in the convenience, no more chargers or power banks, and it's a no-brainer. These clothes are built for real life, not just the lab. The future of laundry is electric and effortless. Wearable power is ready for your washing machine. Let's follow the energy from your morning jog to your phone. As you move, Thermoelectric fibers convert body heat into a steady current, while piezoelectric fibers generate bursts of energy with every stride. This electricity is collected and stored in a flexible supercapacitor or thin film battery woven into your shirt. Think of it as a tiny dam, gathering energy from every movement. When you need to charge your device, a discrete port, maybe a magnetic connector or retractable cable, lets you plug in. The garment's power management circuit delivers energy safely and efficiently. Your outfit becomes your outlet. It's a closed-loop system. You burn calories, your clothes capture the energy, and your devices stay powered. Your run powers your music navigation and health tracking. You're not just using energy, you're generating it. Every footstep is a contribution to your own power needs. This is decentralized, personal-scale energy harvesting. The process is seamless, elegant, and empowering. You become an active part of your tech ecosystem. The future of charging is wearable, personal, and always with you. Your energy, your power, your way. How does this change daily life? Imagine your commute. Every step charges your phone, and body heat keeps it topped up on the train. By the time you reach work, you've gained battery, not lost it. For travelers, power-generating clothes mean freedom from outlets and heavy power banks. Hikers can keep GPS and cameras charged indefinitely, harvesting energy from movement, heat, and even sunlight. For emergency workers, wearable power is a lifeline. Firefighters' jackets power sensors. Search and rescue gear keeps comms running for days. Festival goers, construction workers, and the elderly all benefit. Devices stay charged. Safety is enhanced. The technology's versatility is its strength. Anywhere there's movement and heat, there's power to be harvested. It's not just convenience, it's safety, freedom, and independence. Wearable energy transforms how we live, work, and explore. No more battery anxiety, no more dead devices. Your clothes become your power source wherever you go. The world is your charging station. The future is powered by you. Keeping phones alive is just the start. Wearable power changes our relationship with energy. It reduces reliance on lithium-ion batteries, cutting down on mining and electronic waste. Smaller batteries or battery-free devices become possible, shrinking our environmental footprint. This tech unlocks new wearables, AR glasses, health monitors, brain-computer interfaces, all powered by your clothes. All-day AR, hands-free navigation, and immersive experiences become reality. Wearable power enables the devices of tomorrow. It's a step toward energy autonomy, a personal, decentralized grid for your essential devices. In a blackout, your shirt keeps your phone charged for news and help. Medical uses are huge. Shirts powering ECG monitors, smart bandages accelerating healing. Healthcare becomes proactive and seamless. Wearable energy means constant, effortless monitoring and safety. The impact is personal, environmental, and revolutionary. The future of power is on your back. Power-generating clothing will transform industries and habits. Fashion merges with tech. Designers focus on style, comfort, and power output. Tech couture becomes a status symbol. Brands compete on charging efficiency. New jobs emerge. Material scientists, textile engineers, and app developers for wearable energy. Factories retool, economies grow, and innovation thrives at the intersection of fashion and technology. Consumers start checking clothing specs like they do for gadgets. Watts generated, battery capacity, device compatibility. Activity becomes gamified. The more you move, the more power you generate. Urban spaces change. Fewer charging stations, more freedom. People become more energy aware, understanding the true cost of a watt. This shift encourages conservation and a more active lifestyle. Clothing becomes part of your tech ecosystem. The culture of energy is about to change, one shirt at a time. We're on the edge of a new frontier. No more living in fear of the 1% battery warning. The solution wasn't a giant power plant. It was us, our bodies, our motion, our heat. Wearable power is an upgrade for our autonomy and our relationship with technology. It's about decentralization, sustainability, and personal empowerment. Every citizen becomes a mobile power generator, fueling their own needs. The implications are huge, from reducing resource extraction to enabling next-gen wearables. We're closing the loop. The energy we expend powers our digital lives. Next time you panic about battery life, remember, you're a walking power source. The future is one where your clothes work for you, powering your connection to the world. No more begging for outlets, unless it's for orange juice. The revolution won't be televised, it'll be worn. Watch this space, support the innovators, and get ready to wear the future. The most powerful thing in your tech arsenal will soon be on your back.